Sometimes you're going to need to see more than one panel at a time on your screen. This will be particularly helpful when you are in a Zoom meeting and your teacher is asking you to look at a document or answer some questions while he or she speaks. Or maybe you're watching a video and you're having to answer questions while you watch, or you're reading a document and answering questions. All of these require you to see two things at once. And without flipping back and forth, you can change your screen size. So this platform is called Windows, which means each of these things is a window. This little symbol up here at the top shows you that I can minimize a window. This shuts it down completely. This just makes it smaller. So when I click that, it brings this over to the side. So I can have this small and this. Sometimes you have to play around with them just a little bit to get the two screens that you want on there. But what I'm going to do is have a passage on the right and a document on the left where I can do some typing. So this example is not ideal because this is so small, but I can see my document, my PDF on this side, this screen, where I can scroll up and down, and I can type answers to questions on this side while I am scrolling through a document on this side. Similarly, you could have your questions here, a video here. You could have a document here, and you can make your Zoom videos smaller so that it's just a square about this size so that you just see the teacher and you won't be able to see everybody at once, but you'll just see the teacher and you can have your document off to the side. So this is how you make dual screens. When you see that there's not two and you click this, it maximizes it again and it brings it up to the entire screen. So this sort of brings it down, and you can adjust how much you see or how much you don't see by just kind of getting your mouse on the edge until you see those two arrows, and then you can move them in and out like this to make things the size that you would like.